Hi, everybody. Good morning. It's Thursday, November 18th, getting ready for one of the best times of the year. The holidays are starting, and today it's Thursday. You say, Dan, what's significant about Thursday? Well, on Thursdays, for years, we put on this 13-day calendar on Thursday. You say, Dan, what's significant about Thursday? And what's a calendar? Calendar is a trade for weekly income that we've done for years. And you say, what's significant about Thursday? Well, Thursday was really when we had a trading group, but so I put the calendars trade on Thursday. If we had the class on Wednesday, probably would have called it Wednesday. But what happened with this Thursday calendar, because you have the uniqueness of the weekend coming up, so you get some nice time decay benefits. It's become a good battle-tested, regular trade in our community. Pretty successful. I mean, as you learn the craft, right? But so I'll bring up an example of one today. I just did a on-demand video, just taped it live myself, 42 slides, over 2 hours, everything that we've learned on this strategy, weekly income strategy, we put together in a video, and you can go to SheridanMentoring.com and get it. I'm just going to talk just a little bit about it today. But you can see here that, right now we're at about 46.81-ish in the SPX. And so the trade that I'm looking to enter today is buy one, D8. This is just an example of our Thursday calendar. Sometimes we structure it differently. Sometimes we might go out further duration. Sometimes you might have a wider width between the calendars. Sometimes, depending on market conditions, we might not play. And I give very detailed instructions in the video on that. The class would be $247, which are going to be all our on-demand classes that we're producing now. And what's nice about it, with all the Sheridan mentoring videos, you can go on and ask me questions on the class page, months after class, which is a really nice feature. So here you're buying the 46.80. Well, let me tweak it because we've kind of gone down a little bit. Make it 46.80 just so it's nicer. So we're buying, selling, we're buying the D8, we're selling the D3. D3 is 2 weeks from tomorrow. So it's 15 days out. Every Thursday, put it on. What expiration? 2 weeks from tomorrow. Here's where we're at. And again, we have criteria when we would put these on, when we would not, the width. Sometimes I go even further out than 15 days. Generally, I'll do this. But in this particular case, I'm 5 wide, and I'm just going at the money. If I'm non-directional, I'm going at the money. If I was more bullish, I'd set it up maybe at 4,700 in the calls. If I was more bullish, maybe 46.60, 46.50 in the puts. So if you look here, again, the strike is 46.80, and I'm 46.80 calls, 46.80 calls. And this particular one is going for $8.40 debit. So $840 is what I pay. That's my risk. And you can see here, this is the expiration graph. Along this axis is the P&L. See, this is the zero line. On this axis, and I'm using TD Ameritrade for this example, Thinkorswim, here is your prices of SPX at 10-point increments. So you can see that. Again, this is the expiration graph. Today, this is your graph today. So when I put this trade on today, the purple will represent how it will look today, and the green graph at expiration in 15 days. And as we progress, towards expiration and time decay benefits us, the purple line will morph more into the green line. And again, the way you make your money on what is a calendar? A calendar is simply you're buying a further out option, selling a closer in option. And if you're more non-directional, same strike, long and short at the money. That's kind of the definition. How does it make money? It makes money because the D3 option will decay much quicker than the D8 will. And so this debit will spread to $9 or $10, and then I would sell it out for a credit. And you have a profitable area here between these expiration break-evens. Say, Dan, what's an expiration break-even? That's where the graph at expiration, remember this is the graph at expiration of your shorts in 15 days. Once it crosses either way that expiration break-even, that's where the profit line goes under zero. We don't like that. So as long as it's in this profitable area between the expiration break-evens, that's kind of where we want it to go. But if you're interested in that, it's been one of our more effective trades for weekly income. You can just go to SheridanMentoring.com and get information on getting that very detailed on-demand video that just became available in the last couple of days. So thanks, folks. Have a great Thursday, and we will talk to you later. Thanks so much.